How turmeric can boost your athletic performance. Here are 5 hidden secrets. Hey there, nutrient navigators. Welcome back to your go-to channel for all things nutrition and wellness. I've got a question for you. Are you looking for that extra edge in your athletic performance? Something natural, effective, and easy to incorporate into your routine? Well, you're in for a treat because today, we're diving into the golden spice that's taking the fitness world by storm. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, but did you know it could be a game changer for athletes and fitness enthusiasts? This humble spice, with its active compound curcumin, offers incredible benefits, from reducing muscle soreness to combating inflammation and even boosting endurance. Whether you're a professional athlete, a gym goer, or just someone who loves staying active, turmeric might just become your new best friend. Stick around, because we're going to uncover 5 hidden secrets about how turmeric can supercharge your performance and recovery. Plus, I'll show you how to use turmeric effectively and share some tips to maximize its benefits. Oh, and don't forget to check out the description for a link to my favorite high-strength turmeric supplement. Let's dive in. 1. Athletes, listen up. Turmeric is your natural performance enhancer. Let's start with the big picture. Why should turmeric matter to athletes? The answer lies in its powerhouse ingredient, curcumin. This compound is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, meaning it helps your body recover and repair itself after intense physical activity. When you work out, your body experiences stress. Think of those sore muscles and that post-run fatigue. Curcumin steps in to reduce this stress, allowing your muscles to repair and rebuild faster. In essence, turmeric works like a natural performance enhancer, helping your body recover so you can train harder and more consistently. But turmeric doesn't just stop at recovery. Did you know it also improves endurance? Studies have shown that curcumin enhances blood flow, ensuring your muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to perform at their peak. Imagine being able to run longer, lift heavier, or cycle farther, all thanks to this golden spice. And here's the best part. Turmeric is all natural, making it a safe and effective alternative to synthetic supplements or performance enhancers. Stick around to learn how to incorporate it into your routine. 2. Reduces muscle soreness and speeds up recovery after intense workouts. Let's talk about something every athlete can relate to, muscle soreness. You know that feeling when you wake up the morning after a hard workout and it hurts to even walk? That's your body signaling it needs time to repair and recover. This is where turmeric shines. Curcumin reduces inflammation in the muscles, speeding up the recovery process and reducing the soreness you feel after exercise. In fact, studies have shown that athletes who regularly consume curcumin experience significantly less muscle damage compared to those who don't. But it doesn't stop there. Turmeric also helps combat DOMS, or delayed onset muscle soreness, which can set in 24 to 48 hours after a workout. This means you can get back to training sooner without worrying about pain holding you back. My favorite way to use turmeric for recovery? A post-workout smoothie loaded with anti-inflammatory ingredients like turmeric, ginger, and coconut milk. Trust me, your muscles will thank you. 3. Decreases exercise-induced inflammation and oxidative stress. Now, let's dive into the science behind turmeric's ability to fight inflammation and oxidative stress. When you exercise, your body produces free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage your cells and tissues over time. Turmeric acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing these free radicals and protecting your cells from damage. This is especially important for endurance athletes, whose bodies are exposed to prolonged periods of physical stress. And here's an interesting fact. Chronic inflammation from repetitive training can lead to overtraining syndrome, a condition where your performance starts to decline despite all your hard work. Turmeric helps keep inflammation under control, allowing you to train smarter, not harder. Think of turmeric as your body's natural recovery coach, ensuring that you stay strong and healthy while reaching your fitness goals. 4. Best taken before and after exercise. Now, let's talk about timing. When is the best time to take turmeric for maximum benefits? The answer is both before and after your workouts. Before your workout, turmeric can prepare your body to handle physical stress by reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. After your workout, it accelerates muscle repair and recovery. But here's a crucial tip. For your body to absorb curcumin effectively, it needs to be combined with either black pepper or a healthy fat like coconut oil. This can increase absorption by up to 2,000%. Whether you're sipping on a turmeric latte or taking a high-quality supplement, timing and pairing are key to unlocking its full potential. 5. Add to post-workout smoothies or take as a supplement. And finally, the easiest way to incorporate turmeric into your routine is through delicious recipes or high-quality supplements. Personally, I love making a post-workout smoothie with turmeric, coconut milk, banana, and a touch of honey. This smoothie not only tastes amazing but also provides your body with the nutrients it needs to recover faster and feel great. If you're short on time, turmeric supplements are a fantastic option. Just make sure to choose a high-strength supplement with added black pepper for maximum absorption. Check out the link in the description for my favorite turmeric supplement. To recap, turmeric is a powerhouse for athletes, offering benefits like reducing muscle soreness, combating inflammation, and boosting endurance. By adding turmeric to your routine, you'll not only feel better, but also perform better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fitness friends, and subscribe to the Nutrient Navigator for more tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments, how do you plan to use turmeric in your fitness journey? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.